Listening to music is something that we all love doing. We listen in the car, when we're out with friends, while doing our homework. You can listen to music anywhere, but here's the big question. Did you make money the last time you listened to music? I didn't think so. What if there was a simple button on your phone that paid you money every time you played your favorite song? And yes, this does exist. You can make money listening to music even while you're sleeping. Simply open tabs for the music you want to listen to, and you may leave it streaming overnight. You can play it in the background and earn $12 per song you listen to. Most of us are tired from our daily job, and listening to music online often eases up tension from work and improves our mood. You don't need to pay anything to register an account, and there are absolutely no hidden charges. If you stay tuned to the rest of the video to find out how this actually works, I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below on what country you are in right now. Now let's get started. Now go over to this website, which is called hitpredictor.com. This website gives you the power to include the new music before it's even released. The company works with record label radio stations and even band managers. They basically ask you to provide feedback to the song you listen. Every time you give feedback, the website will give you points to cash out for a gift card or cash. Our next website is called playlistpush.com. This is the website where we can earn $12 by listening to music. Here you can see connecting artists to playlist creators. We help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist creators a way to discover new music. Now let me show you some statistics. There are over 970 creators worldwide making money on this website. Big brands like Medium, Hypebot, and CD Baby have featured this website. You can see here the testimonies of many people worldwide saying that they earn a lot of money online using this website. This shows that this website is 100% legit. Now I want you to click on this, learn more about becoming a creator. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Here you can see discover new music for your playlists. Get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like them, you can consider adding them to one of your playlists. Qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. Request a payout at any time. They pay directly to your bank account. All you have to do is click on this Sign Me Up button right here, then create an account, and you are good to go. Our next website is called musicstray.com. This is the most reliable website online that rewards you for listening to music. All you have to do is create an account and listen to music. The cool thing about this website is it's 100% free. The website will do its best to match you with the song you are interested in the most. With this website, they want you to listen to music, and that's it. They do not require you to do anything. Once you hit $20, you can request a payout. Our next website is called radioearn.com. Here you can see earn alone or with your website while listening to the radio. This website is 100% free. You can start earning by clicking your radio links. You can also use their live API for your website if you wish your user listens to you. Every 15 minutes, you get points. These points will be converted in the following month to USD. The USD you can pay via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. It will work on all browsers. And the cool thing is, you can use this website worldwide. They support every country. Now click on the Sign Up button. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Simply enter your username, first name, last name, email address, password, repeat it, then solve this text CAPTCHA and click on this register button right here, and you are good to go. Our next website is called willocalize.com. Here you can see transform your content and data to capture business worldwide. This website helps you transform your content and data so that you can rapidly reach, grow, and engage with global audiences. Their first project was translating a single word. Now, billions of words and hundreds of languages later, this is a global transformation partner trusted by brands to drive results with content and data. This is different from another website because you will actually become a transcriptionist who is asked to transcribe music lyrics while listening to the song. You will have to transcribe the letter you hear. This company will pay you $4 per song to start. All you have to do is select your music reference so that you only transcribe the tune you like. Next is an app for you called Sliceethapy app. This is for those paid to listen and review music. This is an online service where you can review music, commercial, fashion, and brand in return for a financial payout. Music artists can then get consumer opinion on their output. You will get paid for interactive music and fashion that appeal to many people. This is a rare online option for youngsters. Your responsibility is to listen to the music for a minimum of 1 minute and then write the review. You can write a short review about the track or song of the upcoming artist. You can ask for your payment when your account reaches $10, and they pay you 2 times per week. Always pick a genre that you are interested in and try to make your review as detailed as possible when they want. You should write a good review because it helps you get more opportunities. If you leave a low-quality review, it will negatively affect your future earning potential because most companies will give you a penalty. So write a good quality review. Now I will show you some bonus website so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below what country you are in right now. Because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Our bonus website is called irazoo.com. This website allows you to earn money by watching videos, which is similar to listening to music. Here you can see they have paid out over $100 million. They give you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. Earn points when you watch videos, complete offers, and answer surveys. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers or get cash back from PayPal. When you earn 3,000 iRazoo points, you can exchange them for your first reward. You can make friends on this app and chat with them daily if you want. Now there are always new games that you can choose from. It's not the same thing every single day. You have a lot of choices to choose from, so that you won't get bored and you will want to continue playing and earning. You can join weekly contests to win up to $10,000. So I recommend trying it out. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.